Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Nokia 5710 XpressAudio. Nokia 5710 XpressAudio is the more exciting offering out of the bunch thanks to its built-in wireless earbuds. The back of the phone features a sliding mechanism that houses the buds and charges them while not in use. You can use the buds to listen to music stored on the device, up to 32 GB storage via the microSD slot, or FM radio, and you can also connect them to any other device like a smartphone or tablet. The phone also has a headphone jack if you prefer that route. Nokia 5710 brings a 2.4-inch QVGA color screen and signature audio controls on the side of the display. The phone also packs a VGA rear camera and a removable 1450 mAh battery rated at up to 6 hours of 4G talk time and charges via microUSB. It runs the S30 Plus interface. Nokia 5710 comes in white red and black red colors with the earbuds matching the phone's primary color.